In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3, integration, exercise 3.3 and question number 9. Question we have integral of dx divided by 1 plus x square raised to power 3 by 2. So here we will substitute, suppose x is equal to tan theta. Now the question arises because in the last question I have suppose I said that x is equal to a sine theta, right, or a secant theta. Here is only tan theta. Why? Because see, here the constant is 1. In the last question we had constant a. If you have a constant a, then you have to take a tan theta. If we have a constant b, then you have to take b tan theta. But here we have 1, so 1 does not make any difference. That is why x is equal to only tan theta. So dx by d theta, which is equal to secant square theta, and dx equal to secant square theta d theta, right? Instead of this dx, now in the question in the numerator we can write down secant square theta d theta. So secant square theta d theta divided by 1 plus, and the x is tan theta, right? So it will be 1 plus tangent square theta whole power 3 by 2. So we know that 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. I can write down here secant square theta d theta divided by secant square theta and then 3 by 2. So this will cross this. Now we have secant square theta d theta divided by secant theta whole cube. Cross, these are square, this is cube. So we have now only 1 over secant theta d, secant theta d theta left, right? And we know that 1 over secant theta is equal to cos theta d theta. Right, cos theta d theta. But here, see, this is not the answer. This is not the answer, right? So what we have to do, we have to convert this cos theta into tan theta, because here we have said x is equal to tan theta and this is cos theta, right? So what we have to do, I will show you here, equal to sine theta, right? And then cos theta, you have to divide it by cos theta plus c. So sine theta over cos theta, which is equal to tan theta, right? And then cos theta plus c. Tan theta is fine. We have cos theta. Again, we have to convert this cos theta into tan theta. So cos theta we know is equal to secant theta, right? And here tan theta, instead of this 1 over secant theta, I can write down 1 plus tan square theta plus c. But why? Right? This is the question why. I will show you the formula, that secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tangent square theta. Here we want only secant theta. We do not have secant square, so we will take the square root. This will cancel this, right? So it means secant theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So that is why I have put tan theta, right? And it will be, sorry, 1 divided by, I can write down this again, this line. It is tan theta will remain the same, and this is 1 secant theta is equal to this, right? 1 plus tan square theta plus c. So now the value of tan theta. What is the value of tan theta? See, here we said tan theta is equal to x. So put the value of tan theta. This is x multiplied by 1 plus x square plus c. This is your answer. Right, so what we did, actually you should know the formulas very well in order to do the integration. If still any point is not clear, without any hesitation you can ask me, and thanks for watching.